Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Jelena Elise, and today I'm going to show you all how I prepare my turkey sloppy joes. I recently went on a family vacation and my mom brought a couple of cans of Manwich, so one night we had us a sloppy joe night. This is a super simple, super quick meal that your family will love. So let's get straight into the video so you guys can see how I make this delicious meal. So first I'm going to add my extra virgin olive oil to my skillet so I can start cooking my diced onions. So I am going to put some diced onions in my sloppy joe, and I'm also adding extra virgin olive oil to the skillet because I am using turkey. Turkey usually doesn't create a lot of grease, so the extra virgin olive oil will help it not stick to my pan. So I'm just going to go ahead and add in my onions, and I'm just going to allow my onions to cook for about 3 minutes, no longer, because the onions and the meat will start cooking together. Normally I would add minced garlic for that extra aroma and extra flavor. However, I did forget my minced garlic at home. So now I'm going to go ahead and add in my turkey. Remember, you can add whatever type of meat you want to your dish. This is your dish. I personally don't eat a lot of ground beef, so I usually add turkey or chicken to my dishes. But this is your dish, so make it to your liking. So I'm just going to get my meat chopped up and incorporated with my onions, and I'm cooking everything on a low heat. Turkey does not take long to cook, so I don't want to rush it. And now I'm going to go ahead and season my meat. I'm going to use my Greek all-purpose and pepper. Alright, so now I'm just going to incorporate my seasonings with my turkey. And I'm just going to allow my turkey to cook for about 15 minutes on a low heat. I just want my turkey to get brown and done before adding in my Manwich. Alright, so now I'm going to add in my can of Manwich to my turkey. And I did allow my turkey to cook for a little over 15 minutes, so I know it's good and done. So I'm just going to incorporate the Manwich into the turkey, and I'm going to allow everything to just sit on the stove and simmer on a low heat for about 10 minutes, and then it's time to eat. Alright, so this is the finished product. This is a plate that I made for my dad. I paired it with Lay's potato chips. So now it's time for dinner. Alright, so we've come to the end of this video. This was my quick and simple turkey sloppy joe. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you enjoyed my content, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys on my next video. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye.